Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by proving access and tools. Make sure you have a GitHub account, an API token with repo permissions, and the right client installed. Clone only when you know the branch and paths you need to avoid large downloads. Once done, use git clone with depth or sparse checkout to fetch specific folders. This saves bandwidth and time. Make sure to note license and attribution before use so your downstream work complies with terms. Next, retrieve the actual dataset efficiently. Enable sparse checkout for focused folders, or use the GitHub API to download individual files when cloning is impractical. If data uses git lfs, run git lfs pull so large files arrive correctly. Once files are local, inspect schemas and a few sample rows to confirm structure and encoding. This reveals parsing needs. If formats mismatch your tooling, convert CSV to Parquet or JSON to Newline JSON to streamline Finally, process and track changes. Run your cleaning or ETL scripts, commit transformation code, and record checksums or small output samples to keep provenance. Tag meaningful commits and push to a feature branch, then open a pull request for review. This keeps dataset evolution transparent. If something breaks, first verify your token scope and GitHub rate limits, then confirm git lfs pointers and file encodings. These common issues usually explain missing or corrupted files and can be resolved quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.